You may look on at all of us from the outside and ask why. You may question our motives. You may call us crazy. You may shake your head and dismissively say, "I just don't get you. Why are you like this? Why don't you fit in? Why didn't you graduate college? Why don't you get a real job? Why don't you come back to reality? Why are you different? Why don't you understand?" Instead of asking why, we ask why not. We are the people who change your world. We are the ones that already have it figured out. So sit back and watch. Why?